Good morning, first grade. It's time for Number Corner. And thankfully today we just have one day to do for Number Corner, so it won't be nearly as long as yesterday. We are in the month of October, and if you take a look at October, we see that capital O at the beginning of our month. O for October. And yesterday was Monday, so today is Tuesday, October 20th, 2020. And let's take a look at today's number card. We can see that there's a basket. And outside of the basket, there are leaves. Let's count how many leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 leaves. Okay? So if we write our date today, we can write the date as 10-20, 10 because October is the 10th month, and 20 because it's the 20th day of October. All right. And now I can't remember how many leaves there were. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 leaves. So 9 total leaves at the top. That's our total. There are 9 leaves falling from the sky, from the tree, and there are 0 leaves in that basket, okay? So our equation today would be 9 plus 0 equals 9. Okay. Okay, and we can color in for another day in school, one more day. So we can see that we have been in school for 10, 20, 30, 31, 32 days. So we can write 32 up here. Today is October 20th, 10-20. And let's add 32 to our number line. All right, so boys and girls, let's think about different ways that we can make 32. Because part of your math assignment today is you're going to work in your Number Corner workbook, and you're going to work on the page that was for the 30th. When we were in school for 30 days, you'll work on the third decade day. And part of that assignment is making different equations to make 30. So if we were going to make 32, we would make 30 plus 2 more, okay? But remember, we can always take apart or decompose this number 30, and we can break it down, okay? So we could do 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. Then we just have to add our 2 more, okay? Another way that we can make 32 is we can decompose the 10. We can break that 10 down into 5 plus 5. So we could write 5 plus 5 more plus 5 plus 5 more plus 5 plus 5 more, and then our 2. Okay, so 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. Okay, that's another way that you can make 32. Boys and girls, I know that 32 is 1 less than 33. So I could write 33 minus 1, taking 1 away to equal 32. So today, in your math assignment, and you'll see it on Seesaw, it's going to ask you to find different ways to make 30. So I want you to think about how we've done that with our days in school. How can you make 30? Counting by tens, by fives, by ones. You could do some subtraction. Remember, you can break this group of tens down. So you can take that 30 and you know 30 is 10 plus 10 more plus 10 more. So right there, there's one way to make 30. I think it asks you for 4 different ways. Just do as many as you can, okay, when you're doing that today. All right. And then we're gonna call it good for Number Corner today.